Hey guys, it's Felicia. Welcome to the music section of this tutorial where I will be going 75, 90, and full speed for ITZY's new comeback, Wannabe. So if you want the explanation tutorial where I teach you step by step, go ahead and click up there, or it is in the description box below. Alrighty, as per usual, don't forget this video is mirrored, and let's get started. Thank you so much for learning this entire tutorial with me. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And tag me at felicia.covers if you guys decide to post this on Instagram. Would love to see your covers, so make sure you guys tag me there. All my social media sites are in the description box below. Snapchat, TikTok, Instagram, whatever. So hope to see y'all there, and I will see you in a future video. Bye!